Hey guys, so in today's video, I thought I'd do a beginner makeup starter kit where I'm only using 5 drugstore products. Now these products I've chosen just because they're very affordable, and then another thing, they're like my go-to products. These are the products I've used that I started off with when I was beginning makeup, and I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure out what products works for me, and that's the thing with makeup. You have to just keep trying and keep using products to see what works best for you. Now, if you're looking for products that are very affordable, if you're looking for something that you can just add to your makeup collection, something that you can use to start off doing makeup, I suggest these products and I recommend these products. So if you guys are wanting to see how they work, you want to know if it's for you or not, I suggest you keep on watching. Your brows shape your face, so I like to do my brows first to do a nice natural effect, and I suggest using an angled brush. And guys, that right there, you only use a couple products. You didn't even use the 5 products yet. So if you want, you can leave your face like this. Some people just like a natural look where they just have lashes and then their eyebrows done, or they do mascara, whatever your preference is. 3 products alone, that was only $15, well, less than $15. So I'm going to show you guys, like in the remaining video, just how you can get like a glam look and just using only a couple more products. Like I said, we're only using 5 products to get a beat face. I also have some setting powder and some lashes that I want to share with you guys. You want to see what the finish looks like and you want to know more, just keep on watching. So right here, I'm actually using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This product is only $7.99. It's really good because this brand has so many different shades for so many people, different skin tones. I use the Dewy and Smooth Poreless Foundation. Now, if you have dry skin, you can use the dewy one. If you have oily skin, you can use the matte one. As you can see, my skin is going to be looking very flawless. I'm telling you guys, you should really try this product out. So next, I'm using concealer. I'm actually going to use this to highlight the high points of my face. This is going to bring forward all the attributes. You want to do it under your eyes. Some people like to put it on their chin, their nose, and their forehead, like me. And by using this concealer, it brings back your tone you're going for. And I'm just blending this out with a sponge. You can use a brush or a sponge, whatever you'd like. Next, I'm using the Airspun Naturally Neutral Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just putting that on the opposite side of the sponge and patting off the excess and just pressing that into the skin in the areas where we use concealer. This sets your makeup. Now, some people ask, why do you use setting powder? What is the purpose? The purpose is to make sure your makeup stays in place. If it's really hot outside, you don't want your makeup to start running, especially if you're using a creamy concealer. Definitely need to make sure it sets so it doesn't crack or crease. Now right here, I want to show you guys the LA Colors Makeup Contour Palette. Now on the back, it does instruct you like where to place it as far as with on your face, like your chin, nose, cheeks, and later I'm going to explain that in the video. But personally, I like to use bronzer as eyeshadow just because I feel like using it on my face, it just makes me look a little bit darker. So I like to just use it on my eyes. And using this on your eyes, it actually pulls everything together. It's so much better in my opinion, just because I love the after look. But it is completely up to you and your preference. Now I do want to mention to you guys on the back, if you are new to makeup and you're learning how to conceal, like go on the back of your concealer palette and it shows you where to place the dark shade and where to place the light shade. So it's basically called dark shade and there's a highlight shade, and then it just shows you like where to go, like how to highlight on your forehead and your chin, and how to contour and highlight on your nose, and then contour and highlight on your cheeks. So if you're new to being, doing makeup, definitely recommend getting a palette that shows you the instructions on the back, because it'll definitely help you guys in the long run. And sometimes I'll either forget and I'll just have to look back on my palette. So it's really good that you grab one that already has the instructions and also shows like the face, and it highlights exactly where you're supposed to place everything. So that is another good thing about it. Now when it comes to highlighting, you want to do this above the cheekbone, the fridge of your nose, your brow bone, and your inner tear duct. This will make it pop out. Okay guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, I have my full face. Of course, when it comes to like doing a beat face, you really only need a little products. But I know like whenever I do my makeup tutorials, you guys will see I actually use a lot of products. But just for the sake of this video and for people who are on a budget or don't have the money to just really buy like a whole set of makeup, this is the video I thought I'd do for you guys, because I wanted to help you guys out. I know you girls are, us women are on a budget. Many people are on a budget right now. So ladies, I just thought, people just getting into makeup, you're not sure where to start, what to get, what to buy first. So, and just not trying to like spend a lot of money, but wanting that beat look, wanting to get that beat face. And I also want to just remind you guys, we only use the Maybelline Fit Me, the Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation, which was only a couple dollars. This is only $6. And you can get this at like the drugstore, you can get this at Sephora, but if it's not like within your budget, I would definitely recommend you going to get it at a drugstore because they have it more affordable there. The LA Pro Concealer. This right here, only $3. Okay, guys, only $3. Oh my god, I was shook because this concealer, like, this has been around for years, y'all. This is a really good concealer. I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah, it's definitely been around for years. I've even seen Tara Walker. If you don't know her, she's a big YouTuber. I've seen her use it a lot in her YouTube videos. So yes, and the other product I want to show you guys is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Now this, I mentioned to you guys, you can definitely get this at Walmart. They have it in different shades, but I actually have this one in honey beige because I'm kind of like my skin tone, like especially with it being dark. I mean, I definitely could go for like a lighter like shade, like natural or neutral, but I prefer honey beige. It's like a tannish, pinkish kind of tone. So yeah, I kind of like it because I don't know, it kind of gives me like, it kind of looks like I have a little bit of blush on, if you know what I'm saying. Like it kind of looks like I have like a little bit of redness to my face, but yeah, I just kind of like that kind of effect. And it's definitely, it's long lasting. It doesn't leave a flashback. It's just as good as a high-end powder. Okay, and I just definitely recommend you guys getting this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like the primer that I use. Like I said, this is for people who's like beginner / intermediate. So if you guys are, already starting to do your makeup and you're getting a little bit better, I recommend my primer that I use. And it is actually the Makeup Revolution London Hydrate and Prime Primer. This one right here that I showed you guys, it is the one that I have. It's a little dirty. I've had this for a long time. Very, very good. It is very liquidy, so definitely make sure you're careful. But this is really good because it says it's a hydrating primer. Definitely recommend. Now, if you don't know what a primer does, a primer is there to prep your skin and makeup last longer. Another thing that I love about Makeup Revolution London is very hydrating. It never gets your skin dry. And it is a primer. So it primes your skin, preps your skin, and it hydrates it as well. Only $6, okay? So like as far as with like lips, I wanted to mention to you guys. So as far as with lips, I wanted to mention that I kind of like to go for a matte or a lip gloss look. Normally like when it's like in the winter, I normally go for matte look. And then like, you know, summer or whatever, spring, I just like to just wear lip gloss. So, or if you don't really have the money for lip gloss, definitely recommend chapstick or, you know, Carmex. That's very cheap product as well. And actually one of my favorites, this is a affordable lip gloss as well. This is a So Juicy ColourPop lip gloss. And it's really good. It's actually a plumping gloss. But yeah, it's really good. Keeps your lips moist, and they come in so many different shades. There's so many different colors. Some of them have glitter in it. This one that I have has glitter in it. Some of them, they're just natural shades, and anyone can wear it. And it also very glossy and shiny, as you can see. But yeah, it's very shiny and glossy, as you can see. It just kind of makes it look a lot better. But if you're into lip gloss, I would definitely recommend that one, just because it's only a couple dollars. It's very affordable for you guys. I believe it's like $6 or $7. I did want to mention set spray to you guys. My go-to is the Makeup Revolution, which is the same one I use for my primer. I use that brand, the Makeup Revolution. It's actually a radiance makeup spray, so it's supposed to radiate your face, and it's supposed to make it look very hydrating, very glowy. As you can see, it's starting to make my face glow and shine. Of course, even after it dries, it looks very good, and it lasts very long, you guys. So I definitely recommend it. It lasts me for hours throughout the day and throughout the night. So I definitely recommend you guys getting this. So I just wanted to say I definitely recommend you guys getting these 5 essential products and adding it to your makeup collection, because this is what you guys need, okay? If you're looking to get a beat face on the low, those are the products you need to use. If you guys want more videos like this and you want me to push out more videos relating to makeup or doing like different makeup tutorials, different looks, please let me know down in the comments. I would very much appreciate it. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My socials are down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.